So this is how to fix the white screen crash in Elden Ring. For the first step, you should go to the Windows taskbar and click this upside arrow. If you do find the Steam icon right here, right click on it and select Exit Steam. After you did terminate it, now go to the search and type in NVIDIA. You will find this NVIDIA app appearing if you do have an NVIDIA graphics card. If not, you should go to their official website and then download it from there. Now go to settings. After that, make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay like this. Go to drivers and select download and install in order to update your graphics card driver. Once done, go to the Windows icon. After that, go to settings. From here, you need to go to Windows Update, bottom left corner, and make sure to check for updates and retry if you do have failed updates. Now, you need to relaunch or reopen the Steam launcher. You will be redirected to the store, of course, so go top left corner to the Steam icon. After that, select check for Steam client updates. If you do have an older version, select the download button appearing right here. Otherwise, click close. Go again and select settings this time. Now go to in-game and make sure to switch off the Steam overlay. Go to downloads. After that, scroll down and then click on clear cache and click on confirm. Now go to view and then select library. After that, you need to scroll down and select your Elden Ring game. The game must be installed, so once you click on it, click on this gear icon and then click on properties. Now select installed files in the left menu and you need to select this button, verify integrity of game files. That way any corrupted or missing files that are responsible for the white screen crash issue will be automatically fixed. You need to wait for the process to finish. After that, you can just restart your computer and try relaunching the game and see if the problem is gone. If you do find it helpful, please make sure to share this video, like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.